You need more Instagram Reels than you can possibly create by hand. The AI generation tools spit out content that really screams made by AI, and you seriously can't post that under your brand. I'm Grace from Veed, and I'm going to show you how I create Reels that actually look professional using our AI generation tools. No obvious AI tells, no embarrassing content, just AI Reels that you'd finally be proud to post. Okay, here's the thing. Most AI tools stop at generate and dump some generic content on you. And how annoying is it to go from prompting in ChatGPT to nano banana image to VO video, then you got to bring it into an editor and do it all by hand with captions and music. Ugh. You have enough going on already. That's not what you need, and that's certainly not what your business needs. So I'm gonna walk you through a workflow that goes beyond the slop to actual speed and brand customization. Okay, so here is a fun little example of a reel that I'm gonna post for this local London coffee shop called The Foundry. Here's their feed and their branding. So I'm wanting to make a reel that is not only good, but on brand as well. And this all starts here in our Gen AI studio. You want to start with a detailed image prompt, so setting the scene, the shots, the lighting, all that fun jazz. If you want a more in-depth video on how to prompt, we have a ton up on our channel. Here's what I recommend you take a look at. But anyway, here's my prompt. Right now, the aesthetic, clean vibe is super in across all social media platforms, and for a popular hipster coffee shop in Shoreditch, that is definitely the vibe. So I'm going to ask it to create a few images for me, and then I can choose the best one. So make sure it's in Nano Banana Pro, and make sure you're in a 9:16 for that Instagram Reel ratio. Nice, so I particularly like this one. I'm gonna select this here and click image to video. I'm a big fat fan of VO3, but you can choose from a ton of different generation models, all available in one place on our platform. No flopping around 100 different tabs and downloading and uploading, nice and easy, all in one workflow. So just going to click this to generate, and we have one 8-second clip that is gorgeous and perfect for the start of our reel. Look at that, even generates some fun audio as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that to our project and instantly get started with another image to video. Super easy. We just go back to AI tools and generate using our second prompt. Now our coffee shop is really known for their famous flat white, so I want to get a shot of that. Do the same as before, image to video, VO3, and generate. I can then download and stack it within my original project. Just for speed, I'm going to do that with a couple other prompts to get this 4-scene, 5-scene reel all ready for posting. Now that we have everything all set up with the base, let's get ready for some storytelling. You can use Chat or Gemini or whatever you'd like to create your script, then head back into our AI tool section to AI voice and text to speech. When you're choosing your speech, there are a ton of different accents and languages to choose from. So for me, my audience is mainly in the UK. So I'm going to change to a UK accent, and then even better, I have a bunch of different voices to choose from, and then we can generate. Love it. Next, the final fun bits. I can add music that is consistent throughout the whole video to give it that cohesive vibe. Veed's stock music library will make sure your content doesn't get flagged while also adding a fun vibe. And how about subtitles? This is Veed's bread and butter, and there are literally hundreds of options to choose from, including dynamic subs, which are really fun. Also, make sure to select your region for when you add your subs. Like I said, I have a UK base, so need to make sure you're choosing the correct spelling. And the final finishing touch, adding the Foundry's logo and the box to keep everything totally on brand. And the best part, all of these finishing touches can be found in your brand kit over here. So you can upload fonts, subtitles, colors, logos, and it'll all exist in your brand kit, ready to use for whenever you need to make custom content for your business. So easy. Look at that, our final product.
If you're looking for the ultimate workspace vibe check in East London, you just found it. We're talking immaculate microfoam, serious oat milk geometry, and beans roasted so perfectly they basically have a design degree.
This whole process seriously took about 5 minutes, and now this coffee shop has professional, real content ready to post. If you're tired of AI that looks like AI, try Veed for free, generate your base content, and then make it yours. That is how you create reels that actually work for your brand. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.